Wala naman ako naririnig na gano'n. I think a great majority of House members are solidly behind the leadership of House Speaker Boji D, no? Tingin ko naman ho, I don't think there is a reason to replace him today, no? Kasi nakita naman ho natin yung kung paano din ho niya kino-consolidate in his manner yung pong liderato po ng House. And yung mga major priority bills had been delivered by his leadership. Yung pong commitment to remove excise taxes on petroleum products, it was under his leadership that this had been undertaken in record time. No? So, tingin ko naman po, yung pong mga kasamahan natin sa Kongreso, I don't think they will launch a coup against Speaker D anytime soon.
Thank you, Koong. Tingin niyo saan galing to? Yung ganitong mga reports or ganitong ugong?
Tingin ko palipad hangin lang yun. Lalo't higit paparating na ho yung impeachment hearings. Parating na ho tayo sa exciting part, mga kaibigan. The bloodbath will happen on Tuesday. In each and every arena na pwede ho talagang panagutin na atin pong Vice Presidente. At una, pag lagi po nga meron talks of a coup, lagi pong merong talks, for example, challenging the health of the President, no? Parang ano ho ito panggulo po ito doon sa pag-iisip din po ng mga House members, baka biglang magkaroon po ng palitan ng liderato, not just in the House but also at the level of the President, hindi ba? Para hindi ho sila mag-participate, no, sa impeachment proceedings laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Pero ang totoo ho, yung mga usapin po ng mga coup, kung 10 o 20 lang ho yung mga nag-uusap, it is something that will never be launched and it will never be successful. Hindi ba? So, tingin ko parang ano lang ho yun it is basically without basis, no? Kasi if they were actually serious about the coup, firstly, hindi ho yan nababanggit without actual significant numbers, no? And mataas ho yung kailangan ma-surmount na numbers to get a majority to replace a speaker. No, yun po yung una. Pangalawa, there's no reason to undertake a coup during a long break. Hindi ba? Sa Mayo pa ho babalik So if someone actually wanted to do a coup, it should have been launched on the first week of actual session. Kasi doon lang ho pwedeng magkaroon po ng actual vote to basically remove a House leader. No? So, yan, I think these are the basis kung bakit tingin natin palipad-hangin po ito at it is basically part of a propaganda war against the impeachment.
Sino po kaya ang pinagmumulan nito, sir?
Well, ang lagi naman hong tanong on these things is who will stand most to benefit, no? Pagka ho nagkaroon po ng ganito. Siyempre, wala pong iba, kundi po yung kampo po ng ini-impeach na public official, no? So, sila na hong bahala kung totoo ba o hindi ito pong coup rumors po na ito. But as far as we're concerned, I think it has no basis in fact. It has no basis on actual numbers in the House today.
Sir, categorical lang. So si VP Sara ang pinagmumulan ng mga coup rumors na ito?
Tingin ko mga aliado po ni VP Sara, yung pong pinagmumulan ng coup rumors po na ito.